guys, Steven again with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 64 and 65 Malibu Complete door shells made by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Manufactured to factory specifications, each door shell comes complete with the outer door skin made of heavy 20 gauge steel, which is welded to the inner door sheet metal just like GM did years ago. This allows for a smooth installation as it's ready to bolt up to the hinges right away. At the end of the production line, we finish each product with an electro deposit primer, also known as EDP coating. EDP coating helps protect against rust and corrosion and allows ample time for you to sand and paint your part without worrying about potential rust. We tested and featured this on our own 1965 Malibu Super Sport, which debuted in SEMA back in 2012. Years later, and it still looks brand new. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to follow us for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.